Sydney Opera House. It's located in Boomerang Point in Sydney. Sydney is in Australia. The opera is open from Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. It was built in the 20th century, 1973. It's an opera house. People go to see opera. It's the national monument of Australia.
This is the Parthenon. It's located in the Acropolis in Athens. Athens is in Greece. The Parthenon is open every day from 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and in winter from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. It was made in 447 BC. It is a tourist attraction. It's very old.
The Statue of Liberty. It is located in New York. It's a monument. Some people go to take pictures. It was built in the 19th century, 1875. It was a gift from France to America in 1886. The end.
The Comb of the Wind. Opening days and opening time. It doesn't close except during storms. It is a tourist attraction. It is located in Donostia. It was made in 1977 by Eduardo Chillida. It throws water through some holes in the ground. The end. Thank you for listening.
London Eye. London Eye is a Ferris wheel. It is located in South Bank. South Bank is in London. London is England capital city. It is open every day from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. from October to May. From April to 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. From July to August, 10 a.m. till 9:30 p.m. And September to December, 10 a.m. till 8:30. Time. It was made in 2000. It's a Ferris wheel. People go there for the view. Curious. It has 3 million visitors every year.